Today we're going to bring in some headphones, and these are perfect for working out. Now they're a little waterproof for any kind of weather, or if you're going to sweat and work out with them, this is perfect. They kind of have this silicone wrap around ear so they won't fall. And if you're running or jumping or jogging, this is perfect for that. They have a left and right, and it's labeled, clearly labeled left, and then the other one says right in here. The majority of the stuff on the functions are going to be on the right hand side, so we're going to concentrate a little bit more on the right hand side. Now, if you guys notice, they have this little soft end for your ear knobs, and they have extra ones here. So if you ever it doesn't fit, if it's too small, they have larger ones or smaller ones too. It comes in a little concealed bag, so you could carry it with you or take it on the go. If you're gonna go traveling, this is perfect. This device is a Bluetooth device. It will work on any the Bluetooth device that it will accept any kind of headphones. Right now, on one section, if you guys can see, there's a power button, a plus, and a minus. Now, there's a couple of things that you should be aware. We're gonna go over the functions. On the right hand side, underneath of it, there's the actual charging station. Now, if you charge it, this will last you 3 or 4 hours on the go, constantly playing music. All right, so I like that it's flexible. This is very flexible, so it's not gonna break easy. It wraps around your ear pretty neat. So we're gonna wrap it around our ear so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And like I said, this is right. We're gonna put it on the right hand side. So let's go ahead and do that. So the way it works, you pretty much just grab it around your ear and stick it in the ear like that. That's pretty much how it works, right? And it won't fall off because it's grabbing. And then on top of that, you wrap around this all over your neck and the back of your neck. So it's another feature so you won't drop them, right? So let's go over some functions. All right, so here on the first button, if you guys can see the button, this is to power it on, all right, and this is to sync up to and pair on. Now, this is the forward button, but it's actually if you hold it to 1 or 2 seconds, this will forward the next song. Now, on the next button, if you do one click, this is going to turn off the volume even higher because it has a plus, right? And the minus is going to bring the audio lower, of course. Now, on the second function, you hold it down for 1 or 2 seconds, and it rewinds to the previous song. So that's very simple to use. Same thing for holding and answering phones, answering and hanging up calls, the same button, all right? So you could use this not just for MP3 player, but you could actually to answer phone calls. It does have a microphone too. So very simple function. Now, when you're going to charge it, a light is going to indicate that it's charging, all right? So you'll see a little light indicating. Red means it needs battery life. Blue, it means fully charged. These will make a great gift for anybody for Christmas or any holiday or birthday parties that are coming up. This is a great thing, especially if you're going to start working out, make that New Year's resolution. This is perfect for you. So start out with getting one of these and start hitting the road, start jogging. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.